Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make rounded corner in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your video, go to Effect panel and search for crop. You will find under Video Effect. Now drag and drop the crop effect onto your clip. Open the Effect control panel. Right click on the crop and choose Transform to Mask. Click on Free Draw Brusher tool. It look the pen icon. Draw a mask around your video, just kind of rectangle. Once your mask is created, scroll down and adjust the mask expansion and mask feather setting. Now to make the corner rounded, simply soften the edge by increasing the feather value, and higher the smoother and rounder corner will look. You can also use the rectangle shape from the Essential Graphic panel. Just turn on round corner and adjust the radius for perfect round frame. Then place your video under it as mask. And that's how you have created smooth and rounded corner in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.